Hey everyone, let's talk about consecutive numbers here. This is actually a really straightforward lesson. It's lesson 76 and 77. So here we go. What are consecutive integers? 1, 2, 3 are consecutive, so on. It's a number right next to another number. It could be negative, so -3, -2, -1 can be consecutive integers also. So let's look at an example. Find two consecutive integers that sum equal 31. So since they're one apart from each other, if n is the first integer, then how would you say the second, n plus 1? Just one more. Then sum them. Pretty straightforward. So n plus 1 equals 31. Since we're just adding, the parentheses don't matter. And n plus n, you have one n, you add another n, you have two n's. So 2n plus 1 equals 31. Subtract the 1 from both sides, 2n equals 30. And then divide both sides by 2, n equals 15. So the first integer, n, is 15. What was the second? The second was n plus 1. So 15 plus 1 is 16. So the two integers are 15 and 16. Like I said, very straightforward. What are consecutive odd or even integers? So 2, 4, 6 are consecutive odd numbers. 1, 3, 5 is consecutive. 2, 4, 6 are consecutive even numbers. 1, 3, 5 are consecutive odd numbers. It could be negative, so -3, -1, 1. Those are all consecutive odd numbers. Notice that consecutive odd and even numbers are 2 apart from each other. So 2, 4, 6. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Same with even, or with odds. Find two consecutive even numbers that sum to equal 30. So if n is the first number, then n plus 2 is the second, right? Because even numbers are 2 apart from each other. So sum them together and set it equal to 30. So n plus 2 equals 30. 2n plus 2 equals 30. 2n equals 28. Divide both sides by 2. N equals 14. So again, these are really straightforward problems to do. Translating it from the English into the math is the hard part, but once you get the equation, it's simple to solve. So the first one is 14, and then n plus 2 is the second, so the second would be 16. And yes, 14 plus 16 does equal 30. Here's one that's a little harder, but it's really still not that hard. Find 4 consecutive integers that sum to equal 70. So now we need 4. So if n is the first number, n plus 1 is the second, n plus 2 is the third, n plus 3 is the fourth. So sum them all and set it equal to 70. So n plus 1 plus n plus 2 plus n plus 3. That equals 70. So again, we're all adding. All of these are adding. So we have 1n, 2n, 3n, 4n. So 4n plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. So 4n plus 6 equals 70. Subtract 6 from both sides, 4n equals 64. Divide both sides by 4, so n equals 16. So the first number is 16, the next one is n plus 1, which is 17, and then 18, and then 19. That's it. Go do the problem sets for lessons 76 and 77. Practice these. You'll get it. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.